Here we are at Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. I've been away because of Election Wash, our election program in collaboration with Facebook. If you haven't seen it yet, do check it out. Luckily for you, there's been a steady build-up of news that needs washing. We're currently in the middle of the greatest show on earth, Clothesline. Yeah. I'm kidding you, gadhus. I mean the Lok Sabha elections, which means we're force-fed political interviews till it's coming out of our ears. Like this sharp interview of actor and MP Shatrughan Sinha's son, Kush, by India News. And should we even ask why you're interviewing Kush? No.
इंडिया न्यूज संवाददाता ने कुछ से भी कुछ तीखे सवाल किए।
जिस तरह से जो स्टारडम है आपके घर में, शिकायत रही कुछ कि आपको समय कम मिल पाता है अपने पिता से। क्या सोनाक्षी का जिस तरह से स्टारडम है वो इस तरह के कदम उठाती हैं ताकि जो है लोग आश्चर्य में पड़ जाएं, पिता को कुछ गिफ्ट देना चाहती हैं आकर यहाँ पर, ऐसी खबरें हैं।
Those were some really sharp questions from India News. If questions were knives, these would be spoons, or as we say in Hindi, chamchas. For real tough questioning, we never have to look further than Arnab. And we were promised just that when Times Now announced Arnab's interview with Raj Thakare.
उसके बाद आपने लाइन बदल ली थी, आप भूल गए उस बात।
क्या लाइन बदल ली?
आपने लाइन बदल ली थी।
क्या बताइए?
आपके हर एक स्टेटमेंट मेरे पास है, हर एक स्टेटमेंट आपका मेरे पास।
बताओ यार ना, एक मिनट, मुझे लगता है ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है।
आप बताइए ना मुझे।
हाँ।
Raj Thakare got it right, but not quite when he compared Arnab to a criminal prosecutor.
आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं ना, ये राम जेठमलानी की तरह आप सवाल पूछते जा रहे हैं।
Because he stopped just short of judge, jury and executioner. Easy there, Arnab. Your studios are in Mumbai, and we all know what happens in Maharashtra when you get on the wrong side of Raj Thakare.
Pelting stones, smashing windows and creating absolute chaos. MNS workers going on a rampage.
Arnab was obviously smarting from the taunts he received when he last interviewed Raj Thakare, when the usually aggressive and interruptive Arnab was the meek and interrupted Arnab. Now here was Rajdeep's chance to show Arnab who the senior was, and Rajdeep grabbed it.
एक तरह से आप कह रहे हैं कि आप गुजरात गए, आपने गुजरात मॉडल देखी।
एक तरह की बात मेरा गाना
सचिन तेंदुलकर को यूपी और बिहार में वोट नहीं लेने हैं, लता मंगेशकर को यूपी और बिहार में वोट नहीं लेने हैं, अमिताभ बच्चन को यूपी और बिहार में वोट नहीं लेने हैं। जिस पॉलिटिशियन को, नेशनल लेवल पॉलिटिशियन को आपसे कुछ लेना देना नहीं। आपके विरोधी ये कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे बोलते बहुत है, भौंकते बहुत है।
Well done, Rajdeep. You're living dangerously. Arnab, learn.
पहली बात, राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए।
Nice try, Raj, but Rajdeep can take that.
आप वो अर्नब की तरह बात मत करो, अर्नब की तरह बात मत करो, अर्नब की तरह बात मत करो।
Ouch. And now that's got to hurt. We wonder if Raj Thakare will soon be starting a training school for interviewers where they will be taught about tone and posture. And then there was the new election show on Times Now called Politics Uncut with Ruby Dhalla, a Canadian politician who decided to take a break from politics in Canada and try her hand at election-related TV programming in India. And what is one to expect from a show called Politics Uncut? Especially when the subject of the episode is Akhilesh Yadav and Dimple Yadav. Watch.
How did you propose to her? Do you ever check his phone? Does she have your passcode? Do you have lots of pictures of her? Do you always remember her birthday or no? What did you buy him as the last gift for his birthday? A jacket from Delhi. And what did you buy her?
Oh!
Lights out. 2, 3.
You made me like a river of peach, night, rain, the way you turn me on.
Stop! Nice try passing this off as election programming Times Now. It looked more like an episode of MTV Cribs. The irony of a show called Politics Uncut, completely cutting out anything political, is surely lost on our Ruby. I cannot resist asking Times Now, why Ruby Dhalla? We have so many out-of-work reporters, great reporters, and yet they have to go to Canada to find this CBCD who knows nothing about anything? While Politics Uncut was anything but, The biggest interview of the past fortnight was definitely Rajat Sharma's interview on Aapki Adalat with Narendra Modi on April 14th. Now, Namo has in the past had many encounters with Indian courts, but this proved to be nothing like any of those.
Please welcome Narendra Modi.
Mamma mia, what Nimbupani. At the same time as Aapki Adalat interview was being telecast, Rajat Sharma was making an appearance on another show, my favorite show, Comedy Nights with Kapil. But it seemed he got the scripts mixed up. So here's the Aapki Adalat interview with Narendra Modi as it was actually meant to be.
मैंने जनता से वादा किया था कि आज उनको वो देखने को मिलेगा जो उन्होंने कभी नहीं देखा।
प्लीज वेलकम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।
उससे पहले मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू साहब से कि वो आज आपकी अदालत में जज बनना स्वीकार करें।
अरे सर जी,
मैं बहुत सीरियस हूं और मैं पूरी तैयारी करके आया हूं उन सारे इल्जामात की। वो सारे लव लेटर्स जो आपको लिखे जाते हैं उनकी कॉपियां मेरे पास में हैं।
मैं ये जो देश की क्रिएटिव जनरेशन है उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं।
मतलब आप ये मानते हैं कि आपको रोमांस करना आता है?
बेटा, जो छलकता है घड़ा वो आधा भरा होता है और सोना भी भट्टी में पड़ के ही खरा होता है। आदमी पैसे से नहीं कर्म से बड़ा होता है।
एक छत्र राज चलता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी में। जहां जाते हैं मोदी 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 सुनाई देता है। हर पोस्टर पर मोदी का नाम होता है। पिछले 6 महीने में अडवाणी जी 3 बार क्यों रूठ गए?
मैं नहीं मानता हूं कि वो रीठे हैं।
अभिनेता जब आपकी अदालत में आते हैं तो वो बिल्कुल एक्टिंग नहीं करते, लेकिन जब नेता आते हैं वो अभिनेताओं से भी ज्यादा बढ़िया एक्टिंग करते हैं।
सर, आप जब प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे तो अडवाणी जी को आप प्रेसिडेंट बनाएंगे क्या?
ये सब संभव है, सब संभव है।
बचपन में आप इतने शरारती थे कि तालाब में से मगरमच्छ का बच्चा उठा के घर ले आए।
आज बड़ा नॉटी बॉय नहीं है, नोना बच्चा बना हुआ है तू।
किसी को आपसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है।
कुछ लोगों को तो डरना पड़ेगा।
सर, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ। आपके कपड़े बहुत स्टाइलिश होते हैं, आपका डिजाइनर कौन है?
वो कह रही है कि आप इतने पढ़े लिखे नहीं है ऐसी बातों को समझ सके। आपकी अदालत में आज हमने मुकदमा चलाया भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से प्रधानमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार नरेंद्र मोदी पर। अब वक्त है आपकी अदालत में आज के जज जाने माने विचारक नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू। सिद्धू साहब, आपका फैसला।
ये आदमी कसूरवार है और इस आदमी का कसूर ये है कि ये हिंदुस्तान को बहुत हंसाता है।
Guess we are the only ones who still dare to make fun of Narendra Modi. शेर निकला नहीं, पहले ही भाग गए सब. But that interview wasn't the only fluff interview on TV that night. There was also this.
आप सत्ता में आना चाहते हैं, क्या आप प्रधानमंत्री बनना चाहते हैं? तो आप अभी भी ये मानते हैं कि कांग्रेस को बहुमत मिल जाएगी?
मैडम उठो, कॉफी। अगला क्वेश्चन देखो। मैडम कॉफी उठो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
इलेक्शन फॉर्म में एक कॉलम होता है मैट्रिमोनियल का, वो जो मैट्रिमोनियल कॉलम है वो कब भरेगा?
हाँ, but Javed, that question is usually reserved for them.
तो क्या any plans of getting married or something?
अब मतलब शादी कर लेना चाहिए प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत से।
अब रानी की बारात कब आएगी?
Hi Karina, when you're planning to marry Saif Ali Khan?
तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम, मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ यार?
Well, on the one hand, you had Javed trying to ask celeb-styled questions to politicians. On the other hand, you had this NDTV India reporter trying to put political questions to film star Amitabh Bachchan, who was clearly not interested.
आपको क्या लगता है कि इस समय जिस दौर से ये देश गुजर रहा है, शायद एक पैरानॉर्मल कैंडिडेट सिस्टम को ज्यादा अच्छे से डील कर सकता है या संभाल सकता है? भूत है, इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं, तो मैनिफेस्टो क्या है भूत का?
जी, फिल्म देखिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा।
Even though those questions must be haunting Amitabh, he took them in the right spirit. Amitabh, stop being so diplomatic and polite. Tell her what's really on your mind. Elections 2014 also had journalists traversing the length and breadth of the country with media houses seemingly vying for the title of most distance covered. And leading the pack is Headlines Today.
On board this election express with the entire
through of Aaj Tak and Headlines today. This is Maruf Inayat en route to Delhi on the Election Express for Headlines today.
The entire team of Aaj Tak and Headlines today on one bus? No wonder Maruf decided to sit on the roof. But just traveling around India by bus wasn't enough for Headlines Today's editor-in-chief Rahul Kanwar, who believes in adding journalistic value to every interview. So what's better than an interview with Akhilesh Yadav? An interview of Akhilesh Yadav conducted by Ruby Dhalla. And what's better than that? An interview with Akhilesh Yadav conducted by Rahul Kanwar on a cycle, because you always get more information when you ride a bike.
I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
Oi Rahul, where's the bus? Smart move though, with the cycles. So Rahul, if we were to extend this logic, are we then to expect this? Or this?
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए.
And this? Oh dear, the CPIM interview sounds painful. Whatever else we may say, journalists do rough it out while on the campaign trail. Many candidates do as well, but when Mamta Di asked for the moon, she got 2 and 2 more. And when the moon has to travel on Mother Earth, the moon can have no dust spots. And so, as Munmun's cavalcade made its way through her constituency of Bakura, the streets were washed so no dust may rise and cloud anything but her better judgment. And mind you, Bakura has a severe water shortage problem. But then, should we expect anything else?
Politics, as I know it, is from Julius Caesar.
I am Caesar.
And I am Cleopatra, queen, daughter of Isis.
We shouldn't be surprised though, because Munmun's relationship with water is legendary. Now that wasn't the only faux pas. Alert viewer Richa Nagaich brought this to our notice. As Barkha hosted her show Chai Stop,
Let's get a sense from this chai stop as we stand literally at the crossroad.
a child was seen serving tea to the guests. Just not done, which is both illegal and insensitive.
Coffee.
Niku, इतनी गंदी कॉफी जाके फिर से बनाओ.
मुझे स्कूल जाना है.
तुम और स्कूल, तुम्हारा काम है चाय कॉफी बनाना और बर्तन धोना. अब बरखा का शो शुरू होने वाला है, जल्दी से जाके कॉफी बनाओ उसके लिए. Oh, the problem with journalist Barkha is that unless you're doing a story on child labor, it can be right under your nose. But would you notice it? Oi, Niku, coffee lao. Not this Niku, the other Niku. Now what's Clothesline without a little news hour? On the 14th of April, Randeep Surjewala made history on the news hour.
We'll have to give him time to respond. Fine. Anyway, let him respond to the points now. Fine.
Arnab, let me begin by saying that this is exactly what Mrs. साथ लेकर चलते हैं वो बदला लेंगे हम साथ हाथ में हाथ पकड़कर चलेंगे.
Please stop. Just a minute. I request you, please stop. Just a minute, Mr. Surjewala. Mr. Surjewala, just a minute. I can't.
By our count, he went on for a whole 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Arnab, you're slipping. What's happening? Do something. But for now, we present the award for Bravest News Hour panelist to Randeep Surjewala. Here's a little bit of IPL-related programming from the 20th of April, where a panel consisting of Dean Jones, Venkatesh Prasad and Ajit Agarkar were rounded up on NDTV to discuss the IPL.
For us to bring in our 3 experts for this match now, let's put the question to the 2 fast bowlers on our panel.
Wait, there are fast bowlers on your panel? I only see Agarkar and Prasad. In this leg of election programming, we have 2 contenders for the piece to camera of the month that we found most entertaining. One is this.
Went on to become a 5-time member of
And then there's this.
Hello and welcome on board the Election Express. We are broadcasting.
Rahul, we're the ones who are supposed to be funny. You're supposed to be serious. Don't take that away from us. To tell us which piece to camera you like more, write to us on Facebook. If you have any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow, or oh crap, write into us or tweet to us. For regular updates, make sure to join our Facebook page. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected, stay online.